This is Shankari Bazar in Dhaka. It's one of the most Hindu populated areas. And you can see with the kind of artifacts which are being sold over here. Shakha Pola is a very typical Bengali kind of red and white bangle which you people must have seen. I can see it there or there in the showcase. And there are all these symbols of the community which lives over here. But not many really wanted to speak to me when I spoke to them, asking them what is it that they are asking for. In fact, this is one of those areas where there is a fear factor that what is really going to happen on the day of polling. Is there going to be violence? Will they be targeted? As we've been pointing out, there has been around 8 to 9% of the Hindu population alone as far as Bangladesh goes. It's a community which has lived in harmony with the Muslims till recently. In the last 2 months, there have been several incidents of attack on minorities. I'm going to try and speak to one or two of them to ask them what is it that they're looking for in elections. And আমি আসি ভেতরে আমাকে নির্বাচন হচ্ছে কি চান
সুষ্ঠুভাবে হোক
basically he says peaceful election change development change
এটা তো যে সরকার আসবে সেই সরকারের মনোভাব
আর হিন্দুদের উপরে অনেক অ্যাটাক হচ্ছে আপনাদের ভয় লাগে
এটা তো হওয়ারই কথা
আগে তো হতো না
আগে হতো কম হতো বেশি হতো এটাই হয়
কিন্তু আপনারা ভোট দিতে যাবেন
হ্যাঁ অবশ্যই যাব
স্পিরিট অফ ডেমোক্রেসি ভোট দিতে যাবেন
ভোট তো দেওয়ার তো না দিতে তো অবশ্যই হবে যেহেতু নির্বাচন হচ্ছে এখন দেখা যাক তারপরে কি হয় কালকে
So they're going to vote despite the fear factor. But what they're saying is that we want peaceful elections. We want development. We want change, which is of course depends on the government. But it was very difficult for me to try and to speak even to them. Beyond this, I did not want to take any questions. In fact, off the camera, they requested me, please don't ask us to make any political statements. But it also matters how many of them actually go out and cast their vote. On the face of it, no one is going to say no. But there's a possibility and a strategy that they may go on polling day, just they don't want to be marked as boycotting the elections, but they may just go there, cast their vote or not cast their vote and just come out at a polling booth. It's going to be a huge challenge both for the BNP on one side and the Jamaat on the other. Both of them claim to be inclusive parties, but the reality on the ground has clearly proved otherwise. With Rahul Malhotra in Shankari Bazar, Dhaka, Pallavi Ghosh.